40,000 rupees in your pocket and you are planning to buy a new phone, then hold your horses.
रुको जरा, सबर करो.
Because next month in February 2024, iQOO is coming up with its latest edition in smartphone, iQOO Neo 9. Now this is an extraordinary phone, but then how do you know it before the launch? That is because several leaks have suggested some technologies inbuilt in the phone that is going to blow your mind. What are these? Let's find out. At the core of the iQOO Neo 9 Pro lies the mighty Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 SoC, a true maestro of mobile processing. Teamed up with an Adreno GPU, the chipset is set to redefine what we expect from mobile performance. Whether you're diving into intense gaming sessions or seamlessly multitasking between apps, the iQOO Neo 9 Pro is engineered for uncompromised power. Display brilliance. Feast your eyes on this visual marvel. The iQOO Neo 9 Pro features a jaw-dropping 6.78-inch LTPO AMOLED display. It's not just about size, it's about immersive experience this panel delivers. With a resolution of 2800 into 1260 pixels, every detail comes to life. And let's not forget the cherry on the top, a silky-smooth 144Hz refresh rate. Camera capabilities. Now, let's shift our focus to the realm of photography. The iQOO Neo 9 Pro packs a photographic punch with its dual camera setup. The star of the show is the 50-megapixel Sony IMX920 sensor, equipped with optical image stabilization for shake-free shots. Paired with a 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, this setup is engineered to capture your world in stunning detail. From picturesque landscapes to dynamic close-ups, this smartphone promises to be your visual storyteller. Battery beast and pricing predictions. A smartphone is only as good as its battery, and the iQOO Neo 9 Pro doesn't disappoint. A formidable 5160 mAh battery ensures endurance through your busiest days, and the inclusion of a 120-watt charger means you'll spend less time plugged in. Now, the burning question, the price tag. iQOO Neo 9 will hit the shelves in February 2024. While official figures are yet to drop, insiders suggest a ballpark figure of around 40,000 rupees for the base variant, a tough competitor for the OnePlus 12 or in the same price range. Software and OS support. Let's not forget the longevity factor. The iQOO Neo 9 promises an extended 7 years software and OS support, a commitment that ensures your device stays updated with the latest features and security patches. Connectivity and future-proofing. The iQOO Neo 9 Pro isn't just about the present, it's about future-proofing your tech journey. With 5G connectivity, you're ready to embrace the next era of mobile connectivity. Plus, with features like Bluetooth V5, 40, NFC, infrared, USB, OTG, iQOO is ensuring you're ahead of the curve. That concludes our deep dive into the iQOO Neo 9 Pro. Which features are you most excited about? Share your thoughts down below and let's keep the tech conversation going. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe and ring that notification bell for more tech updates.